Arthur does need to wear glasses, because holy fuck, every time you do that, I get wood in my eyes.
Oh yeah, but you're sitting. Like, you're literally on the height. Julia, you should wear glasses. Be careful.
Ah! My eyes!
So this is called min-maxing.
Also, Arthur, the way he just scrapes all that wood, just doesn't care about the splinters.
No, I always tell people I have hyperhidrosis and they don't really understand the meaning of it. Hyperhidrosis in a social environment, horrible. In a men environment, men.
I don't think hyperhidrosis stops you from getting splinters.
Okay, then tell me, why have I not gotten a single splinter in like
I'm here for your
a
cooling
decade.
mechanism. There you go.
Oh my god, this is gonna be sick.
This freezer works very well.
Perfect. There we go. Let's test if it fits through.
So what's the hottest that it gets in Germany?
What do you mean the hottest?
Like, temperature-wise?
Like temperature? It depends where you are in Germany.
39 Celsius.
You might be the greatest man I've ever met.
I don't know what 39 Celsius is.
Yo,
Great. 30 minutes and Push Pop can finally scratch himself.
that's right.
Thank you, Cookie.
Look, and now I turn it around real quick. Plop.
39 Celsius is like 102 Fahrenheit.
So where I live, it's usually never freezing degrees, but it's never warm enough to go out without a jacket in Germany. Which literally means it always is horrible weather.
Chat, 6 subs left to the level 7 hype train. I also didn't hear a thing what Arthur said. Every time I look over there, I get a splinter in my eye.
You know Arthur is a hard man because he works wood with bare hands.
That's
right.
right, Ripsy.
Thank you.
Woo, Finch with a 10.
Oh, you have the Samsung phone, okay? Because I was like, oh my god, my hand keeps going open.
Yeah. Memo said the summer in Europe has been insanely hot.
Oh yeah, no, apparently this year it's like disgusting, but...
The world is ending, I think.
So how is this 2x4 bigger than the other 2x4?
Hi, Star.
Shit.
Hey, girl.
So I thought I'm going like extra big. But then I wasn't.
I love the smell of the wood.
It smells great, doesn't it?
Yeah, it smells like it's burning.
Perfect. Let's get the... Where's my tea?
It's construction lumber. They don't measure or cut too closely.
Yeah, that's true. Actually, do you know that a 2x4 is technically 1.5 by... Oh my god, yo. Oh, perfect.
Yo, Iceman, thank you so much for saving the train with the 5 gifted.
Yo, thank you, Iceman. Hoggies. Can you put it around my arm again?
Yeah.
Ah, that's okay. It's just a little sawdust.
It might bother you though.
The only thing that will bother me today is if I don't get done. But I'm very optimistic. Like, this is, Chad, I'm dead serious. This is the last thing that is missing for the... Oh my god,
this
yes.
while you talk.
Wait, do you need water?
I can go grab him some water. Is it in the car? Okay.
Oh my god, it's giving me brain freeze. It was so refreshing, but oh my god. Okay. Now I'm getting these two because they will be essentially like this above and they go like up and down.
Water break.
Yes.
Sorry, Chad, I'm holding the camera.
It is you and me.
Dude, it gets hot, and before you know it, 10 hours goes by, and you don't drink any water.
Monka. Okay, Chad, look. So now what I'm attaching is this.
Wow.
And this. Again, it doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be good.
World Cup break.
Hydration break. Let me have this wedged in between to have like consistency.
Arthur finished it before 5 p.m. and I will resub next month. What time is it?
Resub?
It's currently 2:21.
How about you will gift
Ooh.
next month? 1, 2, 3, 4.
I'm actually excited. So I'm curious to know how long the sealant will take to seal. Dry?
You want to give it a day.
Oh, okay.
So we won't have Push Pop try it himself.
Herself.
Oh, it's a lady?
Yeah, I thought Push Pop was a girl.
Oh,
Girly Pop.
frick. Actually, I don't know yet now.
Macy said I will get 5 if you finish it before 5 p.m.
19 months already done.
Yo. Wait, who was that?
I don't know. I don't have your phone.
Yo, J_B.
My Chatterino doesn't show.
So the reason why I'm drilling in like this is so there's not even a chance that the sharp part of the screw can hit Push Pop.
Good idea.
So just so you know. That is quite important. And then one more.
Holy cow, this is the craziest progress. So we don't get to paint it any fun colors, right? Is that not recommended?
Well, I mean,
For
I
the
guess we could
safety of
ask.
the animals?
I guess we could ask, but so this is what I mean by making it pretty. Everything that is kind of like not interfering with the build, we can make pretty. So maybe we can like ask if they have A, paint, and B, we can. If we cannot, that's okay.
I think they have animal-friendly paint over here.
Oh, yeah, then maybe.
But probably ask.
Oh yeah, I don't want to make anything that's like not matching. Also, this is not all the way yet. Hold on. It's not.
It must be safe.
Okay.
Any 50 gifted. Probably got to be careful with the type of paint because of the animal, yeah. I doubt Alveus would have anything that's not animal safe.
Dude.
Holy crap.
Now tell me this
Arthur.
isn't sick. Ow. Now,
Wow.
look, and the way on like how to adjust it is very simple. I mean,
Oh.
fair now, but
Well, it won't ever go that low.
well, so